Everybody, many students face this problem of converting images into PDF form. Teachers ask them to submit assignments in PDF form, but they are not able to convert image into PDF form. So today I am going to show you how we can do that. For that you need one app, Image to PDF Converter. So you, for downloading that, installing that, you go to Play Store, and this is the app. If you want to look for it, then here in search you can type Image to PDF Converter, and then you search for it. This is Image to PDF Converter with blue banner. So you click on this app. See, I've already installed this app in my mobile, so I'm getting uninstall option. But first time if you are uninstalling it, you will get install option. So simply click on install. Once you install it, you will get this type of icon, this icon on your mobile screen. When you have to convert images or click picture into PDF form, you have to click on this PDF converter. I'm going back, it is showing me the previous file. Then click on select images. Most likely your images, your pictures clicked are in camera folder. Go to camera folder. Wherever you have stored, you can open that. These three images I want to add in my file, so I've selected these three and done. If you feel that the order of these three is not correct, then you can simply select and drag and drop, and then click on convert to PDF. Give name to your file. Assuming that this is my answer sheet, I am writing Neelam 9th D. If I want to make size smaller, then I can compress it. Otherwise, leave it like this. Click on convert. This is the file by the name neelam9d.pdf. Its size is 2 MB. I have not given any password to it. If you see that this file is stored in the internal storage of my mobile in the folder PDF converter. All the information is written here. So you can share this file. If you want to see how it looks, then you can open it and check. Open it with PDF reader. So this file has got 3 sheets in it, properly placed. If you want to share it, you can share from here also. Click on these 3 dots, send file. You have got different options. You can WhatsApp this file, you can email this file, you can save it to your drive and open anywhere on laptop. You can email and then open in laptop. You can WhatsApp and then you open WhatsApp web in your laptop and take this file. So anyway you can do it, or directly if you have to store in Google Classroom, you can do that also. So that's all. I think it's very simple. You practice converting your files, your images into PDF form, so that you do not face any problem during your exam, and you do not face any problem in sending your assignments to teachers. Thank you very much.